new hair baby. Who's this? Who's this? I'm just playing. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. And okay, you guys. So, as you can see, the title of this video is, it's kind of like an unpackaging video, you guys. I want to show you all the new products I have pertaining to my hair business, because I know the last time I talked to you guys, I was just recently like, I was recently talking about like, you know, ordering all my products and getting my hair and stuff in, so it's finally here. And I just want to show you guys all my new stuff, and it's so cute. It's a lot of stuff that's kind of in right now, well, like that. But let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys, they are the diamond headbands, luxury headbands, diamond headbands. They're so cute. I have silver, gold, white, black. These are like the bigger ones, and my customers love these. I love these. They're so cute. The silver one is like my top bestseller. It's really soft. It's soft, and it has the velvet inside, so it's really good quality. I love them. They can just turn any light outfit into drab. Like, I mean, any like just dull down basic outfit into like just super cute and classy. I feel like, as you can see, I have on a flashy style. Coming soon. Flashy style tracksuit, and watch, you can just put your headband on. So cute. Okay, so yeah, I have these now. They aren't on my website. I've been doing custom, like on hand orders, or like following my Instagram, you'll know I have them. Like, I do recommend people to follow my Instagram, because a lot of products I post on my Instagram are like me just sampling, you know, new stuff to see what people will like. And I can't keep my hand up my hair, y'all, because I just love these wigs. Like, I don't understand. Y'all just don't understand. But anyway, back on task. My next product that I recently just added are, I have edge controls. Edge controls that I use almost every day on my wig, on my regular edges. This one is new. Nobody's tried it. I've put this one out, tested this one, the headbands and stuff are out, but this one is new. It's not out. It's my it's like mousse, like hair mousse for like my curly ones, and I might pull out my curly ones and put some on there to show you. I'm gonna show you guys. But this is my curly hair. It's so soft and curly. It's so soft and curly. Okay. Curly hair, deep curly. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the mousse and put it on there to kind of show you how it defines the curls. know curly hair, then you know that like mousse, foam, that kind of stuff, that's best to put on your curly hair because I just feel like the cream, they kind of cake up. They kind of get too greasy and caked up on your hair. Versus this is something like light and still gives it like a coat. And this is it. It's so cute. Look at the curls. Come on, curls. Come on, curls. I'm telling y'all, this some good stuff. And you also, it's very perfect because it does have a stickiness texture because you also, you know, if you went and got frontals, or ever wore frontal, or maybe even a closure, your stylist or you know to just, you know, use foam is a good baby hair super. I like it better than like using the edge control actually, but either one. I kind of like to use this when I first put the wig on, and then every day after that I'm just using edge control. Okay, my next product is a wax stick. And I'm actually, it's my wax stick, y'all. It works so good. I want to show you guys. This is the inside. It has a nice, it got a little fragrance to it. It kind of looks like cocoa butter. This is a metal edge control container, and it comes with the button on the bottom, which you just push it up, push it right down. I want to show you guys how good this works. I tested it out on one person. I let one of my people buy one, and y'all, it laid her frontal. Like when you make your part and you put the wax stick on, it laid her frontal, y'all. And I'll insert a picture. Okay, she sent me a picture, and I was amazed. She was like, and the girl who did her hair was like, I need to give me some, y'all. I also just recently got some more stuff in with my lashes, but I'll do a lash. I'm gonna do like a part 2 to my lash video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out about my lash business. Well, you'll just see the whole thing because it's a part of Flashy Self. But I have some more stuff that I'm adding to that, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple more of my bones. Bouncy body. Yeah, she moves with you, okay? She moves. This is one of my top selling textures. Textures though. The straight is my favorite, but this is like the most popular one right now. It's deep wave. I see, like, I would love to have this pineapple wave because I don't know why I use my pineapple wood. She's deep wave, and she moves. She moves. Yeah, she moves. So pretty. I really can't do anything to body wave because I don't want to mess up the perfect curl by running my hands through it, but she's soft. I love the shape. Just think about this. What inch? It's a 14 inch, so just think about this inch all over and just throwing it over to the side and seeing the curls, y'all. It's just, you can do a middle part. I need to get some more water. The girl throat is yeah. This is a 4x4. With the baby hairs, you know. The frontal's in my car, so I'll show you guys the frontal probably next time, like on the install or something like that. But I have one more product that I have, you guys. Furries, y'all. I love, okay, I love these freaking slides. These are my everyday, these are my go-tos. Look at the fluffy guys. They are real fur. And it took me a while to find this vendor because a lot of vendors do just the box fur or like, you know, the imitation fur. This is actual fur until mine's a little wore out. It's time for a new pair, but actually, I'm just gonna clean them. You take something like they have, let me show you guys. You use something like this. My dog's waterless, no rinse shampoo. You squirt. Squeeze a little foam on there, and then they came with, when I got my whole book in, they came with one of these, and you know, you just brush through your fur to keep them, you know, clean and fluffy, and just when you walk, they just move really good. This is my sample pair. This was the first pair I ever purchased. The ones that I sell have my logo flashy so in the center. I will insert a clip so you guys can see. Like when I ordered my first thing of these, they all got gone in that first day that I dropped them. So get you some. They're not on my website, you guys, but if you just follow my IG, like I said, then you'll see like when they're in and you just get them in, and I just go in a first come first serve, just until I can get everything, get these added on my website. And probably my next order, I'm gonna order a bigger style, and then I'll put them on my website. But right now they're just on hand grabs. And last but not least, my last ad is what you see right now. I have some merch. It's like a cute little diverse tracksuit. I have it in black and this gray. And I think these are like perfect for going to a hair appointment to get your hair done, or laundry, going to the store, going to the mall, going to chill at friend's house, movie night. Just, it's a universal. The gym, like, it's that spandex material, so you actually can work out in these. Like, you actually can work out in these. Put your little holes in there, and you know, I feel like it's a good little workout outfit. Oh, I forgot. I literally almost forgot. These are literally my last. These are my last two products. Really. I also have my bonnets. Y'all, these things, This is my most used, like, every day. And then I also have the silk bunny, the silk head wrap scarves. Like, this is also an everyday user for me. These actually help to lay your frontal down, keep it laid, and they just go around your head. Go around your frontal, and you tie them in the back. Throw your bunny on, and period. Good sleep, and when you wake up in the morning, your hair will still be bouncy and fun and voluminous, and And these also come in gray, the same color as the bunny, so you can get the matching set if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my products. So as my business grows, you guys get to kind of see it go from this to that. You know, you can just watch someone grow. Like, my business started with just lashes and 3 bundles, and now I'm having inventory and all that. But I'm gonna do more videos. Like, I want to do an inventory video. I want to do a how to find your vendor, get more into marketing, all that. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know below what you guys would like to see, or just say hey. I will respond to you. Check out all my old videos, and I will see you guys